Now we are in Kafr Qaddoum preparing the demonstration, demanding opening the only historical road which is closed by the Israeli occupation army since 2003. The distance between Kafr Qaddoum and the nearest Palestinian village was 1.5 kilometers. Now you must use a road of 15 kilometers in order to reach the same point. From the first demonstration, they tried to practice the force, the strong force, to make us down. Of course, the Israeli occupation army didn't face us with flowers. They faced us with all kinds of weapons that's illegal, such as shooting live ammunition against the peaceful protesters. Hundreds of people were shot with metal bullets covered with rubber, and hundreds of suffocated cases because of the gas which is shot directly towards the houses and towards the protesters. Gas canisters, not to let me suffer from the gas itself. They shoot the canisters directly towards our bodies, including children under 6 months. When we believe in victory, when we believe in our right, whatever the Israeli occupation army used, I think it will be equal zero in front of our will. We will continue struggle, we will continue fighting until fulfill our rights.